Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to add items from other websites to your Amazon baby registry. So if you haven't already created an Amazon baby registry, I'll put a link below for you so you can get that started. As you can see here, I only have one item on my registry here. I'm actually not 72 weeks pregnant. That was for my baby that was born about a year and a half ago. But I did make this registry back then. And since then, I've found a couple of other cool things that I want people to buy for me. But I don't want to add those links to like Facebook or email them to people. I want them all in one registry, and Amazon actually lets you do that. So let me show you how to do that today. First, you need to open up a new tab here and type in Amazon Assistant. Okay, the first one here is there for you. I'll also put a link below if you want to just click the direct link. So what you need to do is you need to install this Amazon Assistant up on your Google, your browser up here. So I'm using Chrome, so I'm going to go ahead and install that now for Chrome. It's telling you what extensions it's going to do. I've already read through it all and I'm fine with that. So I'm going to do that. Okay, it's been installed up here to Chrome. So if you click on this, it should bring you out to this new thing, and it will tell you how it works, the kind of things that you can do with it, but we're not going to worry about that today. Alright, so the next all you need to do is find something cool that you want to add to your registry. For example, here is a Hypnobabies gift certificate. So if you're interested in doing Hypnobabies for your upcoming birth, but the course cost is kind of holding you back, you can actually add gift certificates to your registry. I'll also put this link below for you too so you can find it. So all you have to do is just find the page that you want and then go up here to your Amazon Assistant that you've already installed. Go ahead and click that. Since this is the first time that we're opening it, it might walk you through a little tutorial, but it's pretty self-explanatory, just like that. So here's what you should get normally after you've already opened it once. It says, I don't know this site, but you can still add it to your list, which I'm going to go ahead and do. And then you can add it to wish lists if you have. You can also do this to save things that you just want to remember later, but I'm going to go ahead and add it to my baby registry. Okay, there it is. So if you come back over here to your baby registry, I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page. You can see that I've got the products in here that I already had, those wet bags that I like. And then also I've got this gift certificate. So if somebody wants to buy this gift certificate for me and help me get my Hypnobabies course, they can just go and shop this website. And it's going to open up right to this link here so they can easily buy me a little gift certificate to my course. It's a really cool system that you can do. You can do this with almost anything. Here is my doula website. So if you were interested in having a doula or a midwife or something, and you wanted people to contribute to that, instead of just asking for money or something, I've got a page here where anyone can come and purchase a gift certificate for a client. So you could also do that same thing. You can see here that this is not a typical site that you would go and like buy something on, like Etsy or something like that, but you can still add this to your registry. So if you click this, it doesn't know this website, obviously. Sorry, Amazon. You can kind of scroll through until you find an image that you like. Hopefully the person selling something has a good image like this one that you can add. Go ahead and just add that to your registry. Okay. And then you've got it right on here. So that's going to say price unavailable because my website is not really a click, add to your shopping cart and buy kind of thing. But you could still go to my website and someone could enter in that information and purchase a gift certificate for you. This would also be a fantastic thing to do for any Etsy things that you want. Etsy has a ton of stuff for babies, postpartum, new moms on it. This is actually my shop right here, and this is a beautiful belly bind that you can do postpartum. Really, really fun. You can't really get these on Amazon or anywhere else. So if you want something like this, you're going to have to add it from a place like Etsy or a seller like that. Same thing though. You're going to go ahead and click that little Amazon Assistant. It actually knows Etsy, so that's fantastic. You can pick the image that you think might resonate most with people that are going to buy things for you. Add to your baby list. And it should be showing up right here. So I've got all my Amazon stuff up here, which I only have one. And then I've got some things from other websites. You can add from websites Target, Walmart, anywhere online that you can find. Where this is a click and shop website, it will put the price in there for you, which is really cool. You can also tell when people have purchased it for you, and it will mark it off your registry so you don't get duplicates. You can also, if you want multiple people to send you gift certificates for your doula services, this is a customizable amount. You don't have to do $200. You could do $20 if you want. You could also mark this as a must-have item. So you're saying, I'm definitely having a doula, or I definitely am going to do this Hypnobabies course, and I really, really want people to do this. You can also put a comment in here like, I really need this. Please donate and help me get the birth I want. Okay. So then it's going to mark it as a must-have. So you're saying, this is really important to me. Please go and do this. I didn't just add this for funsies. And also, I'd love it if 4 people purchase this for me. So anyway, there you go. A quick and easy way to add all kinds of stuff to your baby registry, even some non-conventional things down here. You can have it all in one spot, so then when you have a baby shower or people ask, what can we get for you? What do you need? You can say, hey, go check out my Amazon baby registry because it's all right there in one little spot. I hope this was helpful for you. Go ahead and head on over to my website, newlittlelifeblog.com. There is tons of stuff over there for pregnancy, postpartum, birth. You can find other products that I enjoy and like. I've got lots of fun articles on here, all geared towards you and your new little life. DIY craft projects, things like that. Anyway, that's a fun little place to go and enjoy. Go ahead and leave any comments, questions below. I love to respond to those, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.